Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So I'm always buying stuff, and I actually forget what I buy, and I look at it for a moment and I put it away. But I thought, look, I'll grab a few things out that I've bought in the last few weeks, and just sort of show you what's been turning up. And I've got lots more other things still coming at the moment, but those things can wait for another time. But yeah, to sort of show you what I have been buying, and I've got a little story to share with you as well, of something that just happened today with one of my coin deliveries. All right, so this one here is the brand new 50 cent coin, the Indigenous Languages one. So yes, got that one there. This is the frosted version, and yeah, looks quite good with the frosted background there. These are still readily available. It does have a mintage of 20,000, and that's quite a nice coin. So if you don't have that one, grab that one if you can. What else I bought? Oh yeah, so recently I did a video on the 2014 mob of Roos, and so I went and bought another roll. I do have about 3 or 4 other rolls of these, but this was just another one I've added to the collection, and I think I paid somewhere in that $150 mark for that roll, and also managed to pick up a roll of Marbos. So this is an official RAM roll. So is this. This was the way those guys came out at that time in 2014. But yeah, this has got the RAM paper on it, so we know that these are certainly all going to be Marbos in this roll. I think I picked that up for around $45 or something like that. So I was quite happy with that purchase. Been getting a few US coins recently. One of the viewers for the channel, or one of the Facebook guys, sold me some of these coins, and this is one of the ones I've always wanted. So this here is a Morgan dollar. So this one's an 1883 Morgan dollar, so US dollar. Nice big heavy chunky silver coin. $1 coin there. So, and then I did get a couple of $half as well, and that one there. So that's a 1967, and I also, this one here, a little bit differently presented, 1964 Kennedy $half. That would be in uncirculated condition, that one. And also I've got a few of these as well, but these are always nice to collect because they're nice big coins. And this is a yeah, it's also a $1 from the US as well. They don't make them like this anymore, but you can see the copper coming through on these coins when you turn them on the side. And what else have I got? Yeah, I picked up this one the other day. Got this really cheap. I only bought this. I managed to get this for $3, which was just incredible. So this is a proof coin from 2006. So it's an S mint marked nickel. So there it is there. Got a high grading of PR, so that's proof, and 69. I don't know what the DCAM means, but yeah, that's it there. And the other side. So that was a good pickup. I like to look on eBay and just find stuff that no one else is buying, and either bid on it, or which was the case with that one, and pick up some bargains. Also, another bargain I got was picking up this set here. Actually came, I'll show you in a moment. Came in this this envelope here. So it's what's it? The coinage of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. So 1980. It's a proof set from the UK, and yeah, nicely presented. You're not getting in there in any hurry, I don't think. I haven't tried separating it. Maybe you can. But yeah, nice proof set. And I picked this up for $10, and that was $10 posted. So it probably cost a few dollars to post it as well. So um, yeah, almost got it for free. So yeah, that was a nice little pickup as well. Very happy with that, and I just love coins, so it was good to get something else, even if it isn't an Australian set, but it's a set of coins. Now, this is the interesting thing that happened today. All right, so where is it? This one here. I picked this up from a seller on eBay, and I won't mention who they are, but I did ask permission to mention who they are, but they didn't say yes or no, so I'll just assume that they'd prefer not. But I picked this up, and I got this for around $12, and this is a 1962 threepence, Australian threepence, as you can see there. And this is slabbed and graded by PCGS as an MS64. So I paid, I think it was $11.95, and that was delivered. That was just to buy it now. So I thought, well, that's worth having. So I grabbed that. So today this turned up. Now the surprising thing was when I opened up the envelope and grabbed that out, in were these two banknotes. I don't have any banknotes like this. This is very special, and I thought, wow, this is nice, very generous. But no, that wasn't the case. I actually contacted the seller to let him know that, well, I didn't think that he'd actually given them to me. I just thought that he may have put them in my envelope accidentally, which I'm not sure how that even happens. But these two items are actually still for sale on eBay right now, and I went and had a look, and I found these exact notes for sale, and with the exact serial numbers. And I thought, hold on, something's definitely not right here. I'm sure the seller hasn't meant for this to happen, and might be freaking out a bit. So I contacted them and let them know that I'll be sending them back. But I thought, let's have a look at them before I send them back. We may as well get some use out of them. So I'm not too sure on the date, but I think it's either, I didn't look it up, I should have looked it up. And you can see there's got certain signatures on there which I'm not really familiar with. But from what I do know, this note is from either 1932 or 1933, and it has King George the Fifth on it. So nice old £1 note, Commonwealth of Australia note. And I'll have a look at the opposite side there. So it's got a few folds in that in it. This person has this particular note listed for, I can't remember now. I think it was around $200, maybe $250. Yeah, certainly I'm going to send that back to them. And let's have a look at the other one that they accidentally sent me, which is a £10 note. And actually, I think the £1 note was $195. I think that's what they had on it, which actually was quite cheap when you compare other notes of the same value. This one here, I think, is $250, which was still cheap. So that seller is selling some good stuff, nice and cheap. And yeah, this has got. I know I can recognise that signature as Coombs, and I think he was still the governor when we changed over. I think to the newer notes, the decimal notes. I'm pretty sure his signature is on those notes as well. But anyway, this is £10 note, and I think this is from around 1940 something. So yeah, not too sure either, but still a very nice piece of our history right there. So these will be going back, but I just thought I'd share them with you while I had the opportunity. It's a bit out of my price range at this time, but yeah, I certainly would love to get my hands on some old banknotes at some stage. But for now, these ones will go back. Alright guys, so that's what I've sort of been buying. There is some other stuff, but I couldn't grab it all out, and the video will go too long anyway. So yeah, that's what I've been grabbing recently. But yeah, keep an eye on eBay. There are some bargains to be found, and certainly look on the Facebook groups. I've got some stuff coming that I've bought from the Facebook groups as well. But just wanted to share some of the stuff I've been buying, and I'm trying to buy, I suppose, some more stuff that is graded, and that I'm speculating on that price will go up, and that's what I've been talking about. So that's where I'm putting my money at the moment, and that's what I've been sharing with you guys with those sleeper videos. So if you haven't seen those, make sure you check those out. But for now, that's all I got. And if you like this type of video and you like me just doing a little bit of show and tell every now and then, give it a thumbs up. Let me know, leave a comment, and yeah. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.